Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is a Tuesday, 19th of October 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and the yesterday and help my traders to bank amazing profit and best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and let's look at in 4 hour, as you can see here, from yesterday we were long. We had a one small short trade here, counter short trade. Once the market opened, bank few pips. After that, I explained to my trader, as long as the price going to respect this level, previous high, and if you see any sign of rejection at this level, then probably going to be taking a long trade here, because the price has, you can see here, previously developed a false breakout, price broken the previous high, and we were expecting a pullback. Based on the 4 hour chart, that's what exactly happened, and we had such a nice trade. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market. And if you look at the first analysis, that was the market open yesterday. Once the after market open, you can see this was the consolidation breakout. We had a very small short trade here at this one. Based on the 4 hour, you can see here bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit this previous low level, as explained to that. As you can see here, we have this short trade, bank beautiful pips. After that, we explained to trader, if the price is going to break this triangle pattern, then we're going to be taking a long trade here, because based on the 4 hour, we were expecting anyway pullback at this level. So we have breakout. After the breakout, we also had a beautiful pullback. Momentum was developed bullish, and that's what we explained to traders, keep taking a pullback. I also updated that analysis instantly as soon as the price progressed, and afterwards, last night I explained to my trader, expect another pullback. We have this breakout, we also had a pullback. So again, if the price is going to respect this previous high, we're expecting here another pullback. As you can see here, we have very strong bullish candle at this level, expecting this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After the breakout, we had a beautiful pullback long trade at the Asian session. As soon as the price hit to the weekly resistance level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had such a nice beautiful long trade based on the 4 hour price action. As you can see here at the New York session today, I explained to trader we might going to see some counter short trade, but overall sentiment momentum is long. Look for this counter short trade only for few pips. As you can see here, the price, as soon as the price developing double bottom here, explain to my trader, consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. Let's see how that's gonna go today. Now we can see here, if you look at the bigger picture here, the price broken the previous high. As long as the price gonna stay above that level, we're still thinking a bullish a movement and the trend. We'll let you know tomorrow how the price is going in intraday. That's what I can see it right now. If you can see here, another wedge has been developed, and we have another symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see here, previously price broken, and this is the previous low. So we're looking this breakout. So far momentum is bullish. If the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be taking it. They will consider this one another pullback. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, we had such a nice beautiful long trade here. If you look at the 4 hour based on the price action, explain to my trader, if the price gonna respect this level, which is the previous high, then we're going to take a long trade here. Otherwise, break and retest short trade here. Another thing which is I explained to my trader, if you look at the 4 hour, we have another bullish flag pattern. As you can see here, price nicely developed a bullish engulfing candle. From there, we're gonna keep taking a pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to make some profit. Let me explain to you guys how we did in intraday analysis. If you look at the intraday analysis, since the market open, you can see here at the time just before the market open, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. We have the short trade here at this level. After the market open, bank few PPs. And afterwards, as always, being an intraday trader, after this breakout we're expecting another pullback, and interestingly we have another beautiful pullback short trade here, bank some profit. And afterwards, once the price developed this pattern, I explained to my trader we have, you know, bull flag pattern. I explained to my trader in intraday, this is what exactly we're looking here, breakout, which price nicely broken. After the breakout, I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. Every time when the price break the major structure, we just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here we had a beautiful pullback long trade here as soon as the price hit this level at the major resistance level, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see here we did such an amazing long trade on pound dollar. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, overall momentum trend was bearish, and that's what I explained to my trader. As the market open, we explained to my trader, look for price develop another sort of bearish flag pattern. We're expecting another short trade here. We had such a nice beautiful, but at the market open at this level, we had this one, we had a very small long trade here, bank few pps. I explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect this resistance, then we're expecting a short trade here, otherwise long here. Let me explain to you guys how I analyze this in intraday and help my traders to bank profit. And if you look at the intraday analysis, let me show you. Since the market opened yesterday, this was the analysis. After the market open, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price retest, price nicely broken this 4-hour chart. And as soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And let's see the market, let's see the price action, what sort of price action is going to develop, and then we're going to trade accordingly. And afterwards, as you can see here, the market developed this sort of consolidation, and that's what we explained to my trader. If the price is going to break the previous low or recent high, then we're going to take a trade. More safest, if the price is going to break this trend resistance line, then we're taking long. Otherwise, we're still taking a short trade here. And afterwards, I also explained to my trader, price develop a bearish flag pattern, and still looking for short trade here in another analysis. Once we have banked some profit, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for another short trade here at the Asian session. As you can see here, momentum was still bearish. We already have this breakout. Price nicely respected this trend resistance in the 4-hour, and you can see here beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit this level. And that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. So we had such an amazing beautiful short trade on dollar CAD, and afterwards you can see here price reverse. We are still waiting for this breakout. I explained to my trader that if you look at the 4-hour right now, we have developed bullish engulfing candle pattern, but if the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be consider continuation, otherwise long. How we're going to define in intraday, that's what I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, this is the analysis I have broadcasted, and we'll let you know tomorrow how this progress. All right guys, that's it. And we had amazing trades, especially for Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. That was a beautiful breakout. If you look at the Aussie dollar, we have this break when the price reached this level just before the high impact news to be released. For Aussie dollar, the price developed a bullish engulfing candle, price nicely broken and retest. We were long just before the news. I explained to my trader, just keep holding at the break even. You might going to have a nice big moves, which exactly happened, and we will keep taking a pullback. Beautiful long trade on Aussie dollar. Let me show you the intraday analysis. If you look at the intraday analysis, and we had this short trade here first when the price broke on the previous low at this level in 4-hour. As you can see here, we had it breakout trade, and after the breakout we're looking at pullback, which price nicely developed a pullback short trade here, bank few pps. And afterwards, once the price developed head and shoulder pattern in intraday, you can see here inverted head and shoulder pattern, or you can call it triple bottom. at this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to break this level, then probably going to be taking a long trade here, because the price was at the major support level. And also we have another trend support line, and afterwards price broken, we taken a long trade here. We kept this trade long because the price developed a bullish engulfing candle pattern at that level. And that you can see here at the Asian session, I explained to my trader, just keep holding this long trade here, and let's see if the news is in our favor. We are going to expect another big move, and the target would be this level, which is the weekly resistance level, which you can see here. Price nicely broken this one. News was in our favor, and beautiful as soon as the price hit to the red fib channel around this level. And that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback long here. We're only going to take a short if the price is going to break this previous low and retest. Otherwise, keep taking a pullback at this level. We can see here price nicely developed pullback and beautiful long trade here. Some of the traders are still holding low. As I mentioned, my trader, always go for long side with the momentum and the trend. And you can see here price still going up, and most of the traders really enjoy on Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time through live intraday analysis. And the most important thing, developing your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from the platforms. If you are interested how I train and teach my traders through live intraday analysis in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Feel free, or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching with this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.